Hello everyone, welcome back with the third Sudoku of today's newspaper in the additional May the 8th, Friday 2020. This one is a 3-star Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see, which number can I start? 5, 3, and 7. Alright. Let me think. The 8. How about these 4 numbers? Missing numbers are the 5, the 1, the 4, and 8. 5, 4, and 8. 5, 4, 8, and 1. Yes, 5, 4, 8, and 1. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Let me search for this. Wow, this one is not easy. 3. Yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. I see here 4. No 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 4 boxes. 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 1, the 8, 5, 1, 8, and 5. Okay. This big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We have a 2 here. No 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 1 and 3. I marked them. It's a pair. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, oh, we already have a 2. How about the 4? No, the 4 I cannot. 4. Yes, this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 here. No 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here or should be there. In this column, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In that column, we have a 4 over there. So in the middle column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 4. No 4 there. Here also a 4. No 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. What is the next step? The next step is we have a 4. How about no? This is not easy. The 3, the 7, 3, 7, I think I need to mark some boxes, otherwise it will be very difficult. Alright, we have a 4, 4, that means here 4, there 4. How about the 5? In this big square, we have a 5 here, no 5. In these 3 boxes, there are 5, no 5. In those 2 boxes, 5 here, 5 there. The 6 we have here, no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6, no 6 there. Here also no 6 there. Only 2 boxes left for the 6. Here 6, there 6. 9. The 7. Three. Yes, we have a 3 here. No 3 in these 2 boxes. There 3. No 3 in those 3 boxes. Here 3 or there 3. 3 here, 3 there. That means one of these 2 must be a 3. The 9 here, 9 in the middle row, so no row below. The only 2 places for the 9, because we have a 9 there. Nee, dank je. Here 9 or there 9. The 8, ooh, also difficult, the 8. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so in the second row, we have 3 places for the 2, but I see here 2, so the 2 should be there. How about the 8? Yeah, we have a pair here. Alright, in this big square. 8. We have 8 there, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, and no 8 in those 3 boxes. So we have an 8 together with the 3 as a pair. Alright, so the 2 is missing. How about the 4? The 4 in this big square cannot be here. We have a 4 here, cannot be there. So we have a pair again, the 4 and the 2. The other 2 numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. 9, that means here 9 and there 9. 2, 4, so this can, in the second row we have a 2 here, so this cannot be any more 4, so the 4 should be there. 7. What numbers are these? 4. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 3, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, and the 8 are missing. 8. Oh yes, in this third column, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. There an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. The other 2 numbers, the 3 and the 5, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes here. Now I can continue in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be there or could be here. In this row we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row we have a 5 over there. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be here. Two numbers left, the 7 and the 3. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 7 and the 3. How about 7 and the 3, the 4. Yes, we have a 4 here, 4 there. So the 4 could be here, or could be there. 1, 7, 3, and the 6 is missing. Okay. Wow, the 2, yes, 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the first column, so in the column between, the only place for the 2 should be there. That means this should be a 4. We have in this big square the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3. This should be the 1. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so in the column between, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. Then the 5 are missing. We have a pair again. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the 9 and the 3 are missing. That means these 2 boxes are left for the numbers 1 and 7, 1 and a 7. The other 2 numbers for this big square, for the numbers the 5 and the 6. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. We have a pair again. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the column between the second column, the 6 here or 6 there, together with the 4, that means the other, 7 and a 3. We have a 3 here, so this should be the 7, this should be the 3. The other number is a 1. We have a 1 here, so this should be a 7, this should be a 1. Then 8 and the 3, 9 and the 3, 4, 6, 1, 7, 8. We have 8 here and 8 there, so this here and 8 or there and 8. The 3 could be one of these 2 numbers because we have a 3 there, no 3 here. The 1 could be here or could be there. We have a 1 here and 1 there. The 1 in this row could be here or there. Because we have a 1 here. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 8. We have an 8 here, so we have a pair again. 8 and 1, 8 and 1. So this should be a 7. And these 2 should be a pair. The 5 and the 6. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 5, 5. That means in the middle column, the only place for the 5 should be there. In this column, the 1, the 8 and the 5 are missing. The 1, 8 and the 5. Here cannot be a 5. Here cannot be the 5. So 1 place left for the 5 should be here. The 1 and the 8 are left. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. This should be the 8. 8, 8. That means in the last column, here an 8 or there an 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here. We have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be an 8. 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 3. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be a 3, and this should be a 6. 1, that means in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an 8, and this should be a 1. We have an 8, that means here an 8 or there an 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Ooh, and now 1 number left in the first row for the number 7. The 7 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 9, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9, that means here 9, there 9. And 1 number left, the 7 is missing as a pair. A lot of pairs here. Here also the 4 and the 1. We have a 1 now, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. This should be the 4. We have now a 4, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4. And this should be the 6. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 9 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And the 9 goes here. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 7. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Alright. A little bit slower than the previous Sudoku, but I'm pleased. Thank you for watching, and well, I see you in a minute. So, see you with the Sudoku with 4 stars later. Bye bye.